Let's make some labels. Press Enter to make a new line. This label set is 12mm one. You can make up to 4 lines. Press Add to make a new label. Now we got 2 labels. In this label, we want to make a QR code. Press and hold 7. Choose QR code. Randomly input something. Got it. Press Add to make a new label. In this label, we want to make a sequence, such as A1, A2, and A3. Input A. Press and hold 8. Choose sequence. Now we get several labels. If you want to check all of them, you can press Shift, combine with up or down. Now let's print them out. If you just press Print, you can get all of them in one time. If you press and hold Print, you will get more choices. Let's try Tempo Print. You can get them one by one. Finish.